Here is how to create circular text in Figma. Okay, so first we need a new project. Then we're not going to use the form option. Let's go to the apps. We have components, plugins, and widgets. On the plugins, I already have saved the circular text plugin, but you can type it and it will appear. Okay, so then we click, and for example, I'm going to select new coffee shop, and just for the design, we're going to select 180 degrees, and there it is. Now let's try to create a new one. Okay, so I'll just move this one here. Okay, let's select again circular text, and let's write how to tutorials, and let's select the 360 degrees and generate, and there it is. But there's a problem. You see each individual letter is selected, so then we select all of it, right click on group selection, and there it is. Now you can move it as you wish. Now, for example, as you can see, the letters are slamming into each other. For this, we're going to select the frame, letter K, and select the scale to 0.75 or 0.25. And as you can see, the letters are not slamming each other again. There it is for this time. Thanks.